do the switch.
I think I'm going to do the switch. But
well, these are exciting. Yeah, I think we both have to do the switch. I'm going to go. Oh, actually, I'm going to.
What size are you going? Are we going to twin again? Are you going to go big?
Yeah, I'm going to go. No, because I've got 2 piercings, so I can go. Okay, these are new today. They're the UltraFine 950, and you get your choice of diamond cut hoop. That's why we're saying, are you going big or are you going? Yeah, what size are you going? I'm actually going to do 2 because I have 2 piercings. So you get your choice of 1/2 inch, 1 inch, or 1.5 inch hoops. So that 1/2 inch is going to be $9.99 on Easy Pay to get home. Your 1 inch is going to be $12.49, and your 1.5 inch is going to be $14.99. So you get a really big dramatic look. You're saving between $10 and $15 because they are all on sale, and they're new today. So very first time we're bringing them to you. We're just popping them on.
We are having so much fun here. We're doing a whole jewelry wardrobe switch, but when you have so much beautiful jewelry, why not? I mean, let's have some fun.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go silver. So
we're going to start small. So here, this is going to be your 1/2 inch. So this is that really good, office appropriate. If you're thinking, place of worship appropriate. And we have the choice of either the silver. Oh wait, sorry. So we have either the gold, the silver, or this is the two-tone. So you get, with the two-tone, you get both the yellow and the silver. Then we have that same option, but in that 1/2 inch. So this is the two-tone. Then we have the silver, then we have the yellow. And that diamond cutting, I mean, look at the way it is catching the light. That's why it's called diamond cutting, because it catches the light just like a diamond. And then this is that 1.5 inch. So if you're looking for that bigger dramatic hoop, Patricia and I both are, this is going to be the 1.5 inch. And it's the most limited, actually, to just give you a heads up. This is that two-tone, then we have the silver, and then we also have the yellow. New today, your easy payments are between $10 to $15, depending on the size that you're going for. J449391 is your item number.
Sam, my heart almost just stopped.
Because you saw the price.
Because I saw the price.
I know. It's
$9.99
I just looked at
it, I go, is that really what's happening here? Because, I mean, I went to the small workshop where they make these, and by the way, I went a little crazy here, okay? I just wanted to give you guys an idea. I wanted to give you an idea of the size difference.
Oh,
so.
You see, I went crazy because I did,
I'm lopsided, that's right. Thanks for that upstairs, guys. But I just wanted to give you an idea of the different sizing. So I'm gonna actually, now because I want to even myself out, which one should I go with? The shorter or the?
Oh, I kind of like the smaller ones, actually.
I know, I kind of did too.
So I did the 1.5 inch and the 1 inch, and because I've got double piercing, I like to do, this is what I do, is to do my smaller one and then do the bigger one on the outside, so it kind of almost makes it like a little frame. So I did both just as a bit of just to play with it, but it really gives you an idea of size. I feel like the 1/2 inch is perfect if you're just looking for that every day, and actually I'll switch it up in a minute and I'll do the 1/2 inch, because you could also do the 1/2 inch with the 1 inch if you wanted to, something a bit less dress dramatic. Oh my gosh, I cannot get my teeth in today.
I love it.
You know, it's because I'm realizing it's like I've quit caffeine. This is why. It's been a while, but it's like, yeah.
Oh, well, we're going to have to talk about that, because if we go to Italy together, I mean, we're going to have an espresso, somewhere on the piazza. I mean, Sam.
Okay, girl,
Sam.
I'll make exceptions.
Well, I mean, and let's go back to why I was so shocked when I looked at the price of these, is because I went to the small workshop where I saw the artisans actually diamond cutting these. Now, again, I think high polishing is one of those arts that is very underrated. It's very difficult. But diamond cutting really takes a certain skilled hand. Because when you think about what you're doing, is you're taking a diamond tip tool and you're cutting into the actual precious metal. So if you go a little bit too hard, it will pierce through. If you don't go hard enough, you're not going to get that sparkle. I love, if you could pick up, if you're a hoop girl, I guarantee you don't have something like this. And I love the two-tone. Why it's so special is because we actually do the two-tone originally in that 18-karat gold plated, and then the way that we do the diamond cutting actually pierces through to that original ultra-fine, whiter, brighter metal. So you're getting, like I say, this is like that earring that when you walk into a room and you're sitting 10 tables away from somebody, they're going to see you. It's that 10-table earring. Usually we talk about 10-table rings. This is a 10-table earring. And when you're wearing it, whether you're having champagne with the girls on a patio, and I say champagne because, you know, we're talking so much rosé, so that's where my mind is going. But when you're having champagne, you know, on the patio with your girlfriends, or you're just having a nice lunch, or, you know, a little espresso on the piazza.
I was going to say Prosecco. Come on, let's go Italian.
Let's do Prosecco, that's right. I mean, this is going to, again, bring that light to your face. It's that paparazzi glow. Ever, like, you know, seen how you look in a ring light, or have you know, had a Skype meeting or something? I mean, it makes a difference.
It makes a big difference.
Earrings make a difference too.
So I've switched it up again. So now I've gone and I've got the 1/2 inch and the 1 inch because I have a double piercing. So that's going to be a 1/2 inch. That's going to be a 1 inch, and you can see what Patricia means about being able to see it from across the room. If you want to do that 1/2 inch, it is just $9.99 on for Easy Pay to get it home. Like, there are certain Easy Pays where I just like add to cart. I don't need to go to bed and think about it. It's like, no, this is a now moment. So, and remember, we have it in that the two-tone, which Patricia recommends, and I do too, because it's like, this is the perfect way to mix your metals. Then the silver or the yellow. Then I'm also wearing, and Patricia's also wearing that 1 inch. That's the one we're both wearing right now. And then you have your two-tone, your silver, or your yellow. Most popular in the 1 inch is that two-tone, and then we also have that 1.5 inch if you want to have that big hoop moment.
I think of Leah Williams when I look at the 1.5 inch.
Oh no, I was gonna say Chelsea, because I know she loves her big hoop energy that she always talks about. So this is the two-tone, then the silver and the yellow. So this one is going to be $14.99 on your Easy Pay. The 1 inch is going to be $12.49, and then that 1/2 inch is just $9.99. So super affordable. You're saving between $10 and $15, so it's almost like you're getting back that first Easy Pay.
It's wild. I also have to remind you too, we're going to have to just go really quickly and talk about UltraFine. And I think this is, you know, really a great earring to get for somebody who maybe is just starting, I would say even in the smaller size, is just starting their jewelry collection. I mean, it is fine jewelry. It's hypoallergenic. It is nickel-free. You know, it is going to be whiter, brighter, tarnish resistant, but it's also giving you more silver. If you see what's happening on the jewelry, you know, market platform right now, you see the price of gold and of silver. It is just going up and up and up. And when we first got these earrings made, and we made the order with QVC to that small little workshop, the price of silver was a lot lower. Right now, I'm telling you, as a promise, that if we went back and tried to get these earrings for you at this price, which is wild, you would never, ever, ever be able to do it, because the price of silver is so high, and UltraFine gives you more silver.
Yeah, and this is the thing. This is new today. You know, when I'm getting ready for my shows, I type in the item number, and I'm like, wait, what? And it went, oops, because it doesn't exist. It didn't exist until this show. So, very excited to bring it to you, but I would not miss out at these prices. $9.99. $12.49, and then $14.99. That's your first of 4 Easy Pays, depending on which size you go for. And you could definitely do what we've done, which is experiment with the 1/2 inch and the 1 inch, or the 1 inch and the 1.5 inch if you've got multiple piercings. You're also saving between $10 and $15 because we're launching this on a sale price. J449391. I mean, it's such a dazzling earring. Like, hang on, let me just move these around. Look at the weight. I mean, literally, it looks like you're looking at it through a lens, the way it's catching the light, and you've got the sparkles catching, and that's in a studio light. Imagine candlelight or disco lights.
Oh my gosh, that's right. I didn't even think about disco lights. Absolutely. This does feel like a let's go dancing type of pair of earrings. Or bring it on the cruise. And you know what, and I love that too about, you know, our UltraFine collection. I find it that everything we give you, we want to be able to give you the most wear out of it, right? So when you're going on vacation, you're going to pack 1 pair of earrings. This could be your disco earring, your lunch earring. You know?
It really is.
Your casino night earring.
Yes,
you know, this is the
exactly.
earring.
Well, and that's the thing. We really do want those pieces that are going to go from day to night, and this is the way to do it. Take advantage. All you got to do is choose your size and choose your metal. Either you're going for that 1/2 inch, that 1 inch, or that 1.5 inch, and then either silver, yellow, or that two-tone to get the best of both worlds. J449391. Your Easy Pay is from $9.99 up to $14.99. So really, really great Easy Pay to get those home.